ever manufacturing fair for West Hartford Public Schools featuring West Hartford manufacturers and local colleges. We're very excited to bring almost 200 children today to learn about what goes on in West Hartford that they may not know. We have great manufacturers who produce parts for all kinds of industries, and this is a great chance to get them face to face with our students and have our students understand the opportunities right here in town.
So today I'm here representing the CD State Community Colleges. Obviously we're focusing on manufacturing today, so we're talking to the students about the different options between certificates and associate's degree, all related into manufacturing. A show of what the schools is about, some of the programs here. This is our new view book now that we merged all the community colleges, so they were able to see what options are out there. Now at the state of Connecticut, students can go and complete their bachelor's degree and they will be admitted as a transfer student. So 2-3 years with a community college and another 2 years, and they will get their bachelor's and workforce experience, because we offer a lot of certificates for them.
Hello everyone. Hi, we're here at the town hall, enjoying ourselves here today in West Hartford. Representing West Hartford is Legrand. Legrand is an electrical wire and component manufacturer right here in West Hartford. A lot of people don't even know about us. Wire Mode, our brand, has been here for over 130 years. Best kept secret, but we just want to continuously increase our brand awareness. So we're here talking to students, and it's important to actually make that connection with students because we want to ensure we let them know that there's so many opportunities, so many careers here in manufacturing. So just giving a taste of what we do at Legrand. For those of you who don't know, we are doing different sources of energy and power stations, such as this 4-box. We have brown boxes. Our motto is bringing light and power anywhere. We're trying to bring a little light and power to the community here and talking to the high school students today. So enjoying the time we have here today. If anyone wants to know anything about manufacturing, come on down to Legrand. We're open all hours of the day, and I'm here. This is Adana. I'm here with Zaire, my manufacturing supervisor, and having such a great time educating our young people today. Manufacturing, it's where it's at.
My name is Diaz. I'm here at the West Hartford Town Hall talking to students and telling them about careers in manufacturing, letting them know these are very high-paying, very rewarding careers, and they can get started right after high school. So my goal here is to spread awareness of careers in manufacturing, just let them know that they are here, the jobs are here to stay, and we need people, and these manufacturers need people.
Hi, my name is Michelle Hall, and I work for Connecticut's Office of Manufacturing. We're here today at West Hartford's Town Hall, and we're promoting manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Karen Backus. I'm representing Hartford Chrome. We are located on New Park Ave in West Hartford, family owned and operated for 75 years. And we're very happy to participate in the job fair today to reach out to high school students in the town and show them the opportunities that are available to them in manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Deb Presby from ReadyC. We're so thrilled to be here today in West Hartford, meeting with Conard and Hall High School students and introducing them to manufacturing careers. We have a display of our mfgskillsct.com website that has great information for students, and we also had some VR experiences, so students got to try out some different types of manufacturing careers.
Hello, Yuri Kotowitz with West Hartford Lock. We are a local town, 80 years old, woman and minority owned, with another location in Trumbull, Connecticut. We handle everything from locksmith work to door frame and hardware install, as well as supplying doors, frames, and hardware on large construction projects. So our jobs are within the locksmith department, our construction install department, and our contract division, helping build and supply materials for large construction projects.
What he's doing here, right, as he's going through and manipulating his welding whip, what we're doing is we're setting up the profile of our weld.
Our advanced manufacturing crew out here, along with our high school, to talk to kids about opportunities in manufacturing. We brought with us our advanced manufacturing mobile trailer that the kids had an opportunity to see different areas of manufacturing that they can do. So whether it's welding, machining, quality, inspection, supply chain, all of that, just to expose them to the the thousands of jobs that are available in Connecticut right now that go unfilled every day simply because we don't have enough skilled workers. These kids are smart, they're creative, they want to do cool and meaningful things, and this is a great exposure to them for those kinds of careers. So we're really happy that we're able to come to West Hartford today, my hometown I might add, and to be able to share this.
Ryan Carroll. I'm the Human Resources Business Partner over at Triumph Group Systems, Electronics, and Controls, located on Charter Oak Boulevard in West Hartford. Currently, we have about 32 openings, anywhere from engineering to program management, supply chain. We are actually onboarding about 29 interns come May. We like to post those internship roles January, February timeline, and then onboard around May. So a lot of great opportunities. It was great today meeting with students around the West Hartford Public Schools to talk about opportunities not only in manufacturing but just career opportunities moving forward. Looking forward to the next event, and happy we got to talk to these students today.
Hi everyone, my name is David Salonia and I am the EAMP teacher. EAMP stands for Early College Advanced Manufacturing Pathway, and it's a part of the Goodwin University Magnet School system, and I teach the program and I also promote the program. And I'm here to tell you that we have a tremendous program for high school seniors. Basically, they come to us for half of their day. We provide the transportation back and forth to Goodwin University, and while they're with us, we teach them 7 different manufacturing courses, each carrying 3 credits from Goodwin University. In addition to that, we also provide a paid pre-apprenticeship at one of our partnering businesses, so they get to work out in the field and get paid for it. And this is all with no cost to the family. 21 college credits, all the instructional materials, transportation back and forth. It's a tremendous program. You can't go wrong.
To get approximately 180 students coming in from both of our high schools, Conard and Hall, and they were able to learn more about what job opportunities are available currently or in the future here in our community. So this is a really important step for us, specifically to support our businesses and their current and future needs. And it was really wonderful to see how engaged the students were with our businesses, as well as our state partners, learning a little bit more about education and future opportunities.